Okay, I wanted to show y'all how I fixed these Prius brakes after hub bearing job went wrong. I pissed off the Prius and she didn't like me afterwards. Symptoms were brake light, ABS light, and the brakes didn't work right. It felt like it was just the back brakes, no front brakes, or at least very little front brakes. I didn't want to dig the scanner out, and I figured y'all might not even have a scanner, so I tried this little trick that works on the earlier Priuses. This is to be done with the ignition and the key off. What it is find a paper clip, a jumper wire, or a metal tie, and in the top there, count from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bottom, count left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bridge those. Then press the power and the brake at the same time like you normally would to start the car. As soon as the dash and everything lights up, press the brake pedal 8 times. Within 5 seconds. Now, if you stupidly left a sensor loose while you were working on it, and then drove it and then plugged the sensor back in and had this problem, this might work, it might fix it. If you've got bad brake components that you haven't replaced yet, it's probably not going to fix it. Let me know in the comments below how you fared with this, if it fixed your problem, and what you were doing that caused the problem. Even if it didn't fix it, comment below. Maybe me or one of the other guys that are in the comments can help you out with it. And you can share videos and pictures on our St. Auto Facebook page. And there's Shopcat. Maybe he knows what's going on. What's going on, Shopcat? Got any good advice for everybody today? Yeah, okay. Shopcat says keep your tail clean. Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos.